What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. Now first thing you should do is to simply open Shopify website, then log in into your account, and after that you will have to go to another website which is called Shopify App Store. Now once you open Shopify App Store, you should now search here for CJ Dropshipping. After that you will find this application right here, CJ Dropshipping. You should now click on it. Then now you should add this application and install it to your Shopify account. Now, once you finish, you should now go to your Shopify dashboard, then click on settings. After that, you will have to scroll down in the settings till you find apps and sales channels. Then once you get inside it, you will have here all the apps that you have installed on Shopify. So click on CJ Dropshipping. After that, you'll have to click on Open App. Then it will jump you directly to cjdropshipping.com, and you have also to log in or create an account on CJ Dropshipping. After that, you can scroll down easily, and here as you can see, you can add a product to your Shopify by clicking on Connect, or you can add it to queue, or you can simply put it inside a list. And that is it. This is how you can actually add products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.